What was that?
Hunters? What are they doing up here?
Okay, boys, take cover!
Luke, we gotta hide.
I gotta get out of here.
Luke, wait!
Hey, that is not a good idea.
Oh, you little pouchy cheek!
Get off! No one round here to save you this time, boys! Look out! Oh, like you know! Huh? Ah! Where is he?
He's gone. Oh, there he is. No, wait. There he is. There he is.
What?
There he is.
Quiet, I'm trying to drive! It's time to die!
Everyone,
I'm fishing and hunting at the same time!
we're gonna make it. Trust me, we're done.
Brr.